Hi, you guys. I'm just going to introduce myself. My name is Nika, and I'm making this video for anyone who's trying to install a wig. This is a very quick, simple video. This is also a beginner's video for you guys. So if you never installed a wig, you should watch this video and see exactly how to install your wig. I'm just showing you the wig that I'm going to be installing. You guys, right here, I'm cutting my cap, cutting my ears out because I need to make sure it lay flat so that when I put my spray on, it won't be sticking to my ear or anything like that. So I just went on and cut the ears out. And everybody does this, so yeah. Now I'm just spraying my got to be glue spray on my edges. I don't put a lot on because a little spreads, so I try not to put too much on, but I'm basically just applying that around my hairline. And some people spray it on their hair too, but I just want to make sure I focus on my hairline and my edges, make sure they all stick down and stay intact and nothing comes up. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, making sure it all lays and stays flat down. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but it's an important step that I like to do. Now I'm just blow drying it to make sure it's dry, and I went on and just cut out the excess cap. I can't even talk. I went on and cut out the excess cap, and I'm cutting so fast, I'm trying not to cut myself too at the same time. But yeah, I'm kind of pulling it back to see exactly where I want it to stop at, how far I want my cap to go. And I only leave about 1 inch of it away from my hairline. And I just cut straight across. That's what I'm doing. And y'all, I'm so focused. Like, that's crazy how focused I am. Concentrating hard and making sure that I cut it right. Yeah. I'm using my shears too, so they're super sharp. Super duper sharp. And I don't want to cut myself, so yeah. Now I'm just blow drying it to make sure that the little flyaways, you know, when you cut it, it have like those little pieces and things like that. I'm making sure everything is gone. And now I'm putting my glue on, making sure I put about 3 layers of glue on. And I'm just taking the back end of a razor, eyebrow razor, and just putting it in like that. Then I also let that dry. I'm showing you the wig, showing you how I just put it on and everything like that. Don't worry about the hairline. I'm going to fix that, you guys. I'm going to fix that off camera. But yes, this is exactly how I apply my wig every time. Now I did my baby hairs, not too much. And I laid it flat. And then, yeah, so that is how I laid my wig down. Hope you guys like this video. If you have any comments or if you have any other ideas that I can do in my video, please let me know down below. I will do them. And I also would like you guys to thank you guys for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.